Okay, I just fed Amiga multiple crickets. She has 2 or 3 in her mouth. And now she's walking around, webbing. Look at her abdomen. Very interesting. Laying web down. Wow, she's using her leg to apply it. Interesting. So I gave her several crickets already. She may know, though, that there are more. And she might be laying... Oh, she just laid a cricket down. She just laid one down. Which is... She's got some in her mouth. I don't know how much, but 1 or 2. So maybe she's just trying to find them later. Very interesting. She is a beautiful specimen. Here we go. Look at it without the screen on top. And her little Sonoran desert, or desert in Mexico, whatever, wherever I found it, I forgot. But here's a cricket on the left on the wood. And anyway, cool deal. Cool deal.